Hi everyone, welcome to this special talk show of Tom TV. Tom TV ki special talk show da miyam butaram na okcha bagal loina na ikai khomna ba ucheri. Ngasi miyam gi damakta special talk show se gi damakta puduna lakcheri handakta pangthokiba Miss Manipur 2019 da first runner up amadi 2018 da Miss Chakpi lobi khraba adugumlaba miyam gi damakta puduna lakcheri Miss Ringjoy Leivon Lamkang. Please welcome to the show. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯜ ꯇꯣꯛ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯡꯖꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯔꯥꯎꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯅꯕ.
Okay. My name is Ringjoy Leivon Lamkang aduga aigi yumna Chandeldagine aduga aigi village ki mamina Duringko village. I belong to Lamkang tribe and currently I am pursuing my political science in Bachelor of Arts. That's my introduction.
Thank you so much. Aduga aikogi ngarang handa pangthokiba aikogi Miss Manipur sida aikogi Leivon na first runner up tabirakpa sida aikogi preparations kamain tawbirei. How do you feel your journey with Miss Manipur? Adugi matangda kitang takbinaba.
Aigi preparation se yam warae aigi preparation se hayadi coming from a very poor family and angang oibadagi sumaina orphanage ta haurakpa and then unprivileged child ama oina asugumba beauty pageant da khongdarakpa haibase yamna it's a yamwaba thabak niko. Haidi beauty pageant haidi magi concept se ina khunba machagi dama paisa paiba migi dama masak phajaba migi dama haina mina khangne bako. So I work really hard for this beauty pageant because as you know, from a very poor family, financially nasu support obang amdabani na ko body the same basu yamna I really work hard a lot.
You face lots of challenges.
Lots of challenges.
Okay. Aduga akogi Miss Manipur ki journey sidi. How is your experience with Miss Manipur 2019?
My experience 2019. Aigi journey se it's joy and pain ko. Aigi journey da aina. One thing I've learned from this journey is that we don't need violence, we don't need hatred to be a winner and to be title ama winner ama oigi. There's no need of violence.
True.
All we need is to come together, work together and choose the right person.
Exactly.
And today we have choose the right person. Our fame, our crown phangba, they don't matter. What matters is that how and what we use them for. And aina asi lesson amada asigi journey da aina lesson ama tamjabadi 16 girls akhoi se we all come from different community. Tangkhul leire, Kuki leire, Maitai leire, we all come from different community. Okay? And then if we 16 girls can come together, work together, surely our society also can come together and live together as one. And asi journey da aina para ama tamrakpa ma example aina ama pining badi in a garden ama da lay ama khakta phazab ba hauba na phazade ba ko lay se makhan hauba ganda it's attractive and it's very beautiful to see. So this is the example that I want to spread.
Yes.
Yeah, that if we all come together, different culture, we will be so beautiful and we will be so attractive.
Yam nungaizai akogi Ringjoy gi wakhalon. Aduga makha tarak poina akogi Miss Manipur lakpa matam sida isada akogi challenges kari di thengnaki aduga si honaba matamda kayamuk waki aduga nangi expectations na karino aduga Miss Manipur sina how do you expect? What are the challenges you face?
Aina Miss Manipur se lakke haibaganda ko aina aigi own communities, Chandel communities. I me wanda hange bako. I want to go and I want to try for Miss Manipur. Aina haibaganda. They told me like Miss Manipur platform Haibasidi, it's a platform, Maitai platform ka. So if you go, you won't be able to bring the crown. That was the concept.
So the wrong concept.
I saw adugi wakanduna I say pun kreba ko punduna isna as aise chatladi crown purakadova thazadreda haidi aise chingmini na ko haidi organizers khoido maitai oibani na ko soina maitai na logani da haibi wakhan concept to aisu lairamme ba ko but aina believe tawbado aina thazabado adna no, I'll just go and try for it. We don't know what our future holds.
Yes, exactly.
So I went there and try, and today I have bought the crown. Aduna takpadi.
Yes, you have proven
I have proven the
yes,
wrong concept to my people.
Yeah.
That was the challenge that I faced.
Yeah, thank you so much that you have proven that also. Plus, family background, poor family background, the beauty pageants. Basically, in our society, especially in our society, we say fashion, pageantry, paisa paiba, masak phazaba, adu gumangakta contest the yaga the bani high concept wrong concept masu ring zoina proof you have proven in both ways about the family background and the wrong concept which has been carried in our society. It is really quite appreciable that you have proven everything and you have taken all the great challenges also. Aikoina amuk ring zoigi taza bamatamda aikogi imana yamna full support taraga imaza sula kumatamda like unfortunately she made an accident bone fracture how was the story?
I will start my story from my childhood.
Please.
Haidi aigidamakti aina taibang pansida aina yengjaba aigi backbone oigidauba aigi supporter oidobsa only my mom aigi ima khaktane ko akhoi baba se laikhidre ba ko angang oibadagi ko baba se laikhidre badagi di akhoi se ichina naw se ani ne ba pabungi yumunga akhoi ima khoi yumung se akhoi se lapna khre lapna badagi di akhoi imana aiga inaun pi se yam wana yokcharak ba ko hotel macha tawraga akhoi ngasi phau isagi yum haiba se leizade angang oibadagi akhoi se yum se bhara shift tawraga yam wana haurak pane ko akhoi gi punsi se adu imana akhoi gi livelihood akhoi gi numit akhoi gi study gumba fulfill tawbin ngai na hotel macha ma imana phammaga aiga inaun pi se yok pirak pane ko so every aina thabak tawba khuding mama na dum support tawbi bado and then I really love my mom. She is a very strong woman. Aina Miss Manipur pageant se change hai baganda mama na hai bako ichanupi beauty pageant nangbu ngamgadrane ko akhoi financially support obusu ngamde adugadi beauty pageant chatkani nangi dress tikada kamaina tawgani nangi makeup kanana tawbigani nangi khumup kanana leibigani ko akhoi paisa financially puthokpa ngamoi adu yam hai ado aise mamas na agi wakhan nungai ta base ubire do nungdang ama aise wakhan nungai ta bina aise phammaga leiba ganda mamas na lae angonda hai nang Miss Manipur se yam chatning bra hangra eva ko aina yam chatninge hai eva ko danda okay then just follow your heart ko nang na toning bodo go and try it and let prayer be your weapon because we do not know what our future really holds. Now, if you have a willing heart, God will always help you. God. So I try.
You have been blessed with that only with your mom's, blessings. You
my advice, no. She told me that you are the hero of yourself.
Okay.
Go.
Exactly. That's really quite appreciable.
And then I went for audition. I went for audition. Adugadi I said. Audition se pass tore ima se yam harawe ko khoi mama se yam harawe dan grooming class se nasai macha nupi thokpa kari ima se yam active oi bane macha nupi na kari chatpaga dum inning bado ko icha nupi se horen mathan na left oi khigadra gumba ko khan safeguard to bi bado ado masna imasna ise pubirak panda kari haini unluckily hai tare khoi se thorak paganda she was hit accident khoi se thoe adugati khoi sina ma se kaino magi bone fracture tore but
so sorry
but she would always call me ko adugadum I would strength pi ba ko nang ai nae ai asumai to we hairaga don't feel low kaino wakando
Hantaganu.
khantaganu hena hotno strong oyo hai bako adu ai imagi phibam se ai di ude bako but akhoi gi kaino grooming session loi bana ai se chatle chapana imagi phibam se ai yeng bangamamdre leng bangamdaba like I was helping her ma phamung degi tu haugat I could not yeng bangamdre bako
like
so
in that condition.
I said kapning gre bako
Yeah, I can
kapning
understand.
baganda ay imagi mamang da kap pasung hamdre ko so what did I do I said church chatle I said church chatlaga I said person akan na tawe ishwa wanda ishwar nangna imabu thauna pibiyo ko adugadi ai gidamak ni mane accident ho ise ko Miss Manipur aina chatpagidama imasna accident sa thokpane bako aduna please help me God to aina winner maksu oidaba oirasu kaino crown amadi ai purak nangai ginang na mateng pibiyo adumak sunataba ai gi Chandel district se kaidongai desu Miss Manipur haiba try tawdribne I was the first one and let me be the first one to bring the crown and let me be the first one to inspire the young people. That was my prayer and I told God let miracle happen to me and today that miracle happened to me.
It's been blessed to you also.
Yeah.
And your mom is really a
really
great
happy,
mother.
yes.
She's a great mother.
Great mother, strong woman. She even during my grand finale she called me up. She told me nang ay mami lakte hairaga ko wakan nungai taba tawgunu ko hairaga she called me and then she prayed through phone ko and I was crying at the backstage haidi aina performance kaya tawba na imase she would always come and support me duba ay grand finale nimita ma lakpa ngamdaba phamung da adumaina paralyzed oraga laiba khanba ganda we
can understand the feeling also.
I thokpado imana uba phangzaramati ko haraga
makhada Miss Manipur sida lakpase like how have you inspired into the beauty pageant kanana guide toraga kamaina inspired toraga kamaina beauty pageant sida lakibano
inspired over higher the aina beauty pageant the me pamba do mapudi laite but I get inspiration had the first mami laire ko aduga the second I get Madam Chungni. Thank you so much, Madam Chungni. You have shown me this journey. You have let me discover myself. Thank you so much, my Miss Chakpi team, for always being my backbone, supporting me financially, mentally, and my family, my friends. There are many times when people say to me that, Liza raba machana bu beauty pageant chatpa ko.
The expectations and the
haiba gumba like mapashu laitaba hotel macha tawraga hingrakpa mina bu kari oiga drane haibagi concept se ai ta da banate ba yam tae but adugi concept se I want to break it. I tawba ngamni Liza raba oirasu if I have the strong determination, if I work hard, I will surely win it.
You have proved that also.
I've already proven it.
Shown that the reality, what is exactly happening. Mina haina bana mani tawbana mani. Aduna koi society de su soiri se like what actually happened. Have se me am the kanamta na adu digest of the mayamgi rumors, mayamgi unwanted, unnecessary, conversations or the rumors, they follow with that only. So, you are the true inspirations towards the society, I should say. Ringzoina Miss Manipur Mangda, Miss Chakpi, Miss Chakpi journey is in a
Miss Chakpi journey, it was my first attempt. Asumaina beauty pageant gida ay sumaina khongdara kani haibase suktat hazaram de bako do Miss Chakpi haibase Manipur de mina khangram kiroi but Chakpi haibase akhoi gi Chandel gi river, the only river we had in Chandel, Chakpi river asise jati pum namak na kanaba phangba and then mi gi khantharu da bawakhanduna Chakpi river se kaino mangrakpa haitare and then khoi gi Chandel gi women khoi mayam sina ashi akhoi gi river se kamaina kansige ko haibidi future leiraktreba chakpi river haibise maming na khakta akhoi gi future generation angang khoina maming na khakta tagadra masak se uba phangaroidra hairaga ko moina asigi beauty pageant Miss Chakpi hairaga moina platform ama se phajana moina hangdok pirak paneba ko.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's really great. Thank you so much. Matang sa break macham tang lozage.
Okay.
Miyam da break macham tang lozage. Please do stay tuned.
Lengsin Biraksi Prabhavati Handloom Makhal Kayagi Fi Fanek Fangbiragani Laisabi Yum Palabi Ahal Oiraba Imasingna Setpayaba Inbayaba Pizol Kodimak Fangbiragani Ngasi Lengsin Birau Prabhavati Handloom Moirangkhom Sogaijam Lerak Natraga Aikhogi phone number 6909126615 Natraga 70058000023 da contact tobiyu Prabhavati Handloom Moirangkhom Sogaijam Lerak Imphal.
Welcome back after the break. Makha tarak poina ringzoi de ni khangjaning basi Miss Chakpi se tarba matungda ringzoi na society ki damakta or Chandel district ki or in your communities da kari initiative lobi re aduga kari proof to bi re habaduma kari work to bi re habaduma kidan thambiyo
kari haine akoina mingonda we are able to change people's mind ko akoi gi Chakpi river se ke amuk akoina kanaba phangbra haibase akoina mingonda utpa ngamme haidi we work together as a team, our Chakpi family, and then akoisna chatlaga Chakpi river senge ko manungda garbage leibugum sa akoina sengdoraga mai thadokpa ko adugadi. And one incident happened on that very day. Akoisna kana Chakpi river sa senga ga mai sa thadok ikanda ko nupi ma se lar ka garbage bora da chauna pura ga lae ko ma se pura lar ga river da hundon ngai taw aina anti adu da taw no akoina sina mai ko thabane adu sumaina hundok piyo sumaina turen da hundok pignu magi corner da ko phazana mai do thabiyo then it will be a fertilizer so oirakani haidi akoi Chandel gi woman khoi se khoi gi livelihood se adu turen gi magi bank of the river da khoi garden macha tawe ko kitchen garden adu market the power khoi export awanga me bako so we were able to help them and do gadi kaini haini. Moreover that, adugi Chakpi crown paina aina I was able to bring another crown for my people of Chandel, which hena Chandel ginupi ko na hena ko inspired over
and you set the example also.
Yeah, I was able to set a good example to my younger generation of Chandel.
Okay, that's really nice. Quite appreciable also. Aduga akogi Miss Manipur gida amulak sage Miss Manipur sida akogi certain levels में हम ले रिकॉ कोई top 10 top 5 and like that ना top 10 top 5 level लाख में तंदा nervousness excitement like हम गिनी अदुगा नंगी reaction से कोई winner लाख थोम दाएगी top 3 लाख थोम दाएगी तो अदुगे reaction से कमाई तो बीके
आई reaction दा how बदेगी hierarchy को top 10 लाव बदेगी अखोई से top 10 से को दा हेली ना backstage दा लावे बको अदुदा मासना mathang top se esam haba ai gi ming se su yaw traba loi khre haiba ko ai sa wakhan yam nungai tre akhoi yam nushi bne akhoi we 16 girls akhoi yam nushi na bne ase ingbagi akhoi se loi ma khut samnare top 10 laugani haba akhoi backstage se isai ga sakminaraga ko akhoi se we were so depart okrani haiba ko wakhan and I giving se lau talk to and I could see Langlen there. She was crying and she was looking at me. I yaudre khan laga ko ma se kappa ga the ying re and Sir Helena chuma bane ka amu ko mas ne second round para but I give me se yarapa. I said around one then Sir Heli se call like a cup crave ko da akoi girls lo was a cup crave but aduga di akoi top 10 the yaud Pangdraba koi irup koi do they are so strong they still encourage us moing on the akoi kaino tawdre hairaga adugumba aphattaba reaction da khonda pide still they encourage us aduga de ai top 10 do yaure the top 5 to the I say ayo top 5 se changaroidra ko se khud se lepa layanda ai gi mi se first to thoro pa top 5 ki se da oh my God, aduda aigi wakanse, God, you have really answered my prayer. Ashine, I top 5 pu yordi, I saw it na, you know, amadi pangado male,
It
ashine
boosts your
ko,
confidence
yeah.
level.
Hey, na aigi confidence wang rakre ko. Aduga di friendly ako winner lautorak pa do. Aduda, kari haini, second runner
Second
up to
runner-up han laure.
high kre. First runner up say hi do bana no I say ngashi gi numit say I pangdaba already. How am I going to go back? I come in I get chandel me cause how am I going to face them? As you mo kind of don't I go there power eva ko na first runner up contestant number 11 ring join like one lam gone up. Oh my God, assisted the pra. Kamay hai ni Miss Manipur platform hai basically ID mang the pau mang su mang lang kamay hai ni so phangway da ba platform do adune out of expectation oi kre I was
because you have been, you know,
yeah.
given the inputs that, you know, the rumors,
yeah,
the
I
wrong
won't be able
concept,
to do
the
it,
wrong
or-
advice, mayamduna.
And I was there overflow with joy and I thank God for his miracle and I really thank my mother. Who
Yes,
has
that's
always
the
been
true
my
spirit
backbone,
only
yeah.
when you have shown and then with your great determinations on you have achieved. You have proven that, you know, the society, the platform where, you know, a woman can stand strongly with your full
yeah.
determination. Aduni akoi ringjoina phazana proof tawkhre it's quite appreciable with all your journeys also. Aduga akoi marak sida Miss Manipur or any other beauty pageantries me am say akoina live telecast adagi you know through YouTubers me am dagi yengba phangba me am si lay. Ado handakti this time the Tom TV ne so exclusively oina semaga akoi live telecast kai class amata tawde aduga haidi akhoi Tom TV na design ama tawraga akhoi gi telecast tawbasi akhoi gi not on the same day tawraga thambasi gi matangda ringzoi gi mode opinion kai habiningi because it's not wide published on that particular day. What is your view on that?
Chume hana di dum life na thado edana aduga di how khraba chahi kya da khoi beauty pageant se life na dum yenge yengba ganda mi loin ma gi concept se mana deba like kaino beauty pageant bu degrade tawbado comments kaya
Yes.
haidi akhoi gi society se ko mi gi aphabada su yeng deba
Yes.
mi gi asoibado adu da
Exactly.
khakta comment taw na ngai khakta they are always ready to comment the bad side ko
The easiest one is just picked up.
adu khakta dum comment taw ngai hone but Tom TV moi kari taw ba they are trying to change they're trying to
Yes.
bring that change ko I'm professional oibne si se haidi asidi asigi channel haisi akhoi gi state ta khakta yeng do ba channel na
Different
it's
countries.
all over the world
Yeah, it's a
all over the
worldwide.
world worldwide mina yeng na ga do ri ne ko and they are able to beauty pageant mina smaina degree to bisa Tom TV na pra professional oina pra upgrade to bira to bi bani haina haizani
Yeah, because to get the value,
Yeah, value
of
do.
the proper platform do
Hoi.
Tom TV so adugi damu to hona jabani adubu akhoi ringjoina akhoi gi kai hai tare concept sibu khangbi bai damu ta yam hanna na thakachari
because I've already experienced ko I life to su agi iming mo mina criticize to ba I have experienced that
okay.
so all thanks to Tom TV
Okay, thank you so much. Aduga ringjoina Tom TV da lagbi bai so akhoi na hanna na thagachari
Hoi.
aduga Tom TV na akhoi gi ringjoi bu su akhoi makha ta ba journey sing da mai pak po oibiu
Thank
haina
you so
haijari
much.
aduga loina na akhoi gi hojiki social media sing adagi akhoi gi YouTubers sing me andagi lab social media say what according to you kai hainingi social media dia how is your comment on the social media especially in our state
social media haibase yam aphabane hana akhoi communication su hena purakna bane ko it brings a lot of changes and what I would like to say to my people of Manipur is that kind of coin do mamai ani laye dana
Hi, face ani like
face ani laye ko adugumna social media so face ani laye ko
Yes,
it's
exactly.
positivity and it's negativity so we has to always think before we comment before we post that it does not hurt anyone. This social media brings akhoi gi platform amane ba ko akhoi gi hena pulak na ngai gi togetherness purak na ngai ne ba social media se but akhoi na instead kairak na ngai gi oina semrak ba do.
yes aphabadudang lagodamni phatabududi we should not comment on that
We must know how to use it.
yes
kamaina khoi se sizinnagadom instead we have to create a diamond hai tare
rather destroying ourselves we
instead of
should
destroying let's
encourage
create a
and
diamond
make
yeah
use the best way
yeah
yam chumi aduga makha tarakpasidi akhoi beauty pageant yawning ba youths mayam adagi especially young girls mayam da akhoi ringjoy gi kari message thambiningi.
Okay, my message to my young girls would be beauty pageant is not all about entertaining the crowd. It is not all about a physical appearance, but beauty pageant haibisina ishabu discover toba phanganba the real beauty purpose haibise and to me beauty is about drawing out the beauty from others to tell a story to one another what love, caring and sharing is all about.
Very true and very beautiful to describe on that. Aduga akhoi hauzik leiriba as a title holder or first runner up sisu honor torabani ka Miss Manipur gi da adu platform already kalabani platform kalaba matung sida akhoi gi Tom TV gi through the gi akhoi gi society sida kari message ti haibiningi haibidi ngasai ring join hai gre Miss Manipur basically it's been conducted by the Maitais aduga akhoi kano taroi haibigi concept wrong concept am leitra aduna di akhoi gi areas akhoi na yaurudaba nook and corners mayam dagi yawning by aspirants mayam sigi moida clarify tongnaba akhoi gi ringjoy gi site gi message samtang thambiram.
Miss Manipur platform haibise ko maitai gi khakta natte chingmi gi khakta natte naga gi natte kuki gi natte it's all for us. Mi akhoi pumnamak ki damak ne ko si platform se akhoi nupi ama na magi masabu discover tawnangai gi damak platform ne and then in this beauty pageant they only choose the right person ko aduga aina asi beauty pageant da aina isana aina tamjarakpadi I think we should erase the boundaries, the thoughts that we belong to different communities. We should
even curtail the the knowledge.
We should erase that boundary. Adugi wakhando khoi thadok patari hai tare thadok krase adu wakhando and then hatred, violence, discrimination. This is not the words that we should live by. Instead, unity puraknaba, togetherness puraknaba in our prayers.
Very true. Thank you so much. Akhoi Tom TV studio da tanglo matam kai thopi da thank you so much. Aduga akhoi Tom TV gi site gi chamlaba khudol positang ringjoy gi da
Thank you so much Tom TV.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Masini ngasi gi akhoi na miyam gi damak da thamjakhiba special talk show Tom TV gi Miss Manipur 2019 amadi Miss Chakpi 2018 lobi khraba Chandel gi akhoi gi chingi ichanupi Ringjoy Leivon Lamkangni. Thank you so much everyone for watching Tom TV.